Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to share over 10 powerful Windows run commands that can seriously boost your productivity on both Windows 10 and 11. So without wasting any time, let's dive straight in. To open the run command, right-click the Windows icon and select Run from the menu. Alright, we're all set to dive into the run command. First up is a super simple one, launching the calculator. You don't need to type the full name. Just open the run box, type CLC, hit enter, and boom, the calculator pops right up. Alright, here's another handy one. Need to access another PC remotely? Just type MSDSC into the run box and press enter. Instantly, the remote desktop connection window opens up. From here, just enter the computer name and connect like a pro. Alright, here's a cool one. Type PSR into the run box and hit enter. This launches the Steps Recorder, a hidden gem in Windows. It tracks every click and action you take, making it super easy to record and share exactly what's happening on your screen. Perfect for showing someone a problem or walking them through a fix. Let's move on to a command that's a must-know for every Windows user, Task Manager. Just type tscmgr in the run box and press enter. Instantly, you'll get access to all your running apps, background processes, and system performance. It's a quick way to troubleshoot or close frozen programs. If this shortcut is new to you, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear it. Alright, the next run command is a powerful one. Just type MRT and hit enter. This opens the Microsoft Windows Malicious Software Removal tool. It's designed to scan your system and remove hidden viruses or malware. Once it opens, click Next, and you'll see 3 scan options: Quick, Full, and Custom. If you're short on time, go with the Quick Scan. Click Next again, and it'll start scanning your system for threats. And yes, it can remove them too. Super handy, right? Next one is to bring up the registry editor. So just type regdit and hit the enter key again. If asked for the permission, click on Yes. And this will bring up the registry editor on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Up next, let's clean up the junk. Just type cleanmgr into the run box and hit enter. This opens the Disk Cleanup tool, where you can select and delete temporary files, cache data, and even empty your recycle bin. It's a quick and easy way to free up space and keep your system running smoothly. Let's move on to another powerful tool. Just type resmon into the run box and hit enter. This opens the Resource Monitor, which gives you a detailed view of how your system resources are being used. Whether it's CPU, memory, disk, or network, you'll see exactly which apps are hogging what. It's a must-use command for troubleshooting performance issues and spotting what's slowing your PC down. Next up, a super useful command for managing your installed programs. Just type appwiz.cpl into the run box and hit enter. This opens the Programs and Features window, where you can uninstall apps, check installed software, or make changes to existing programs. It's a quick way to clean up your system or troubleshoot software issues. Alright, here's a powerful command for managing your drives. Just type diskmgmt.msc into the run box and hit enter. This opens the Disk Management tool, where you can view all your connected drives, create or format partitions, and even assign drive letters. It's a must-use tool for organizing your storage or troubleshooting disk issues. Here's a quick and handy one. Type OSK into the run box and hit enter. This opens the on-screen keyboard, a virtual keyboard you can use with your mouse or touchscreen. It's super useful if your physical keyboard isn't working or if you're using a tablet. And now, for our final run command, type msginfo32 into the run box and hit enter. This opens up the System Information window, where you'll find a complete overview of your PC. From your operating system version, BIOS details, and processor type, to physical memory, virtualization status, and page file info, it's all here. Plus, on the left panel, you can explore hardware resources, components, and the software environment in detail. And that's a wrap, folks. These 12 run commands are your shortcut to becoming a Windows power user, helping you access powerful tools and settings in just seconds. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and smash that bell icon so you never miss a tech tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.